Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us learn something about the types of constitutions that are existing in the world. What is a constitution? Constitution is a supreme document of a nation that contains the fundamental principles and procedures providing legal basis for the administration of the nation. Constitution is the most powerful document. It acts as a socio-political contract between the political administrators, that is the government, and the citizens of the country. A perfectly drafted constitution reflects the hopes and desires of the citizens of that nation. Depending on the socio-political system of the country, there are different types of constitutions. They are, first one and very popular one is written constitution. This is also called codified and uncodified unwritten constitution. Written constitutions are drafted as per the needs, hopes and desires of the people. Usually, when a country becomes independent from other country or shift from their drastic shift in their political system like monarch to parliamentary government etc., they draft the constitution. Basically, the written constitutions are rigid in nature. Example, Constitution of the USA, India, etc. Unwritten or uncodified constitution is one that is not drafted, as there is no drastic shift in the political administration of the nation. Such nations adopt traditional procedures and valid documents available from over a long period of time. Best example is Britain Constitution. In Britain, the constitutional laws are not in the form of legal rules, but are accepted as binding factors by the people. They depend on traditional process. Thus, there is a saying that citizens of Britain respect traditions. Flexible and rigid. Flexible constitution, as the name indicates, is very easy to amend. It can be amended in a simple way just like any statute and can be amended with a simple majority in the parliament, whereas rigid constitution cannot be amended easily. It is a complex procedure and requires great majority like 2/3 majority of members. Even confirmation also requires great majority. Next one is monarchical and republican constitutions. Monarchical constitution is associated with those countries where the head of the state is a king or a queen and is succeeded by the legal heir like children. If the king is absolute monarchy, powers are with the head of the state only. If the head is a constitutional monarch, he will only a ceremonial head. Example is Britain Constitution. Whereas republican constitution provides powers to the elected members for a fixed term of office like president of USA or prime minister of India, etc. Another one is presidential and parliamentary. Presidential constitution entrusts all executive powers to the president, who is the head of the government and is elected by the people. He need not be the member of house. Example, USA. In case of parliamentary constitution, powers are with the prime minister, who is elected by the people and is a member of parliament. India is an example of it. Federal and unitary. A country whose administration is federal adopt a federal constitution where the constitution provide separate structure of administration and powers to the states. And usually central government and state government are different in with regard to the administration and powers. Example, USA, Australia, Canada. Under unitary constitution, all powers are with the union government. The union government does not share powers, but delegate powers to the states. One example is UK. Political and legal constitution. Political constitution provide powers to the elected members of the parliament to make laws. That is why they are called legislators. The legislators of the parliament legitimize the passed acts. Legal constitution empowers the courts to establish limits and checks on the powers of the government, as in the case of USA. In this case, constitution gives powers to the court. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.